Did you know every year thousands of students drop their study abroad dream? Not because they lack talent, but because they assume it's unaffordable. And here is the shock. Students in the UAE are saving up to 50 to 100% tuition through scholarships and simply because they apply smartly. Most families believe studying abroad costs a fortune. But what if I told you UAE scholarships can save students 5 to 10 lakhs per year? Yes, 5 to 10 lakhs per year. That's not a discount. That's a life-changing opportunity. Here's a surprising fact. A huge percentage of students never apply for scholarships, even when they are eligible. Meanwhile, thousands are studying in the UAE today with partial or full tuitions waiver. The difference is awareness and action. Imagine giving up your dream college just because you thought it was too expensive. Now imagine discovering later that scholarships could have covered half or even all of your tuition. That's the reality many students face. Studying in the UAE can cost lakhs, but scholarships are quietly cutting tuition by 25%, 50%, and even 100% for prepared students. The shocking part, most people don't even try. Parents worry about affordability. Students worry about opportunity. But UAE scholarships are helping families save lakhs every year. And most students don't realize they qualify.